Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca and I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Today we're here to check out what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. So we are located in the DFW area. I go to several different stores throughout the week, take lots of pictures, combine all those pictures into one video and organize them by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new. In apparel and accessories, they've got a restock of a bunch of their men's boxer briefs. They have a bunch of different characters and candies. These go in sizes all the way from like small to extra large. Sometimes you find them in these packages. Sometimes they actually have them in boxes. Just depends on the store and what they get in. They even had these with the old Big League Chew bubble gum. Then we've got a bunch of their character socks. They are like the Dum Dums. They have Popeye and olive oil, some double bubble on those pastel colors, a couple different Disney socks as well. They've got some new Aristocats and Disney Princess socks, and there's so much more, so make sure you check those out. Over in the arts and crafts, we've got a restock of the burlap ribbon. These never last long, especially now that they've added more colors to the mix, like the red, white, and blue. You can also get the brown and the pink. The only one I didn't see was the light green that they carry sometimes, and these are the wired ribbon. We've got the Crafter Square solid colored fabric and a bunch of these artist canvas in 11 by 14. They've got a bunch of their iron-on art with the rhinestones in, and the 4-pack of, it's not a 4-pack, but there's 4 different ones of the DIY dinosaur wood pieces that you can paint to create your own. Then for the baby and toddler section, there really wasn't a lot new since last week, but they did have a bunch of these fluffy style socks in the children's sizes. They had Strawberry Shortcake, Lilo and Stitch, they had Bluey, the Powerpuff Girls, and the little Minnie Mouse, which was so cute. And they also had these Minnie Mouse socks, which were new. And then we'll move over to the health and beauty. We'll first check out the cosmetics. So they brought back the LA Colors brow items. They've got the brow brush. It's double-sided, brow soap, the wax, and the brow powder, all by the LA Colors brand. The 2-pack with the little carrying pouch of the beauty blenders. They also had these Color Spell foam and silicone blenders, and these little puffs with a carrying case, and they come in a couple different colors. A bunch of the Sassy Chic makeup brushes in different styles, and the Sassy Chic silicone makeup blenders. They have those in a couple different colors. The small kabuki brushes with the carrying pouches, and a bunch of these beauty impression lip duos. They've got like the lip balm. This one's like vanilla cherry scent. They also have the Plumpet juicy lip glaze, and each one is a different color because it comes with different items in it, like collagen. Then we've got the 2-in-1 kissy lips. So this one's like a nourishing. The purple is the lip plumping formula. The pink one is a brightening formula. And then the orange one says it's for soothing. So there's a lot of different ones there. We've got the Alice in Wonderland lip balm. There's the coconut scent, which is the blue, and the vanilla scent with the yellow and orange topper. For the hair care items, lots of new hair accessories and some restocks. We have the Must Have Beauty gold accessories. They've got the butterfly barrettes here in the 2-pack. Also some bobby pins with the rhinestones. They have a triangle rhinestone. They also have a heart with a butterfly, and it's got like a black onyx kind of looking color, heart and butterfly mixed in with that one. The larger barrettes with the heart rhinestones and the gold snap clips. They also have this 2-pack of barrettes in the circle or the alligator style clip in the gold. The large claw clip with the polka dots was so pretty, and I just love this pearl clip in the pink. They have some new scrunchies, and the pearl bobby pins are restocked. They had a whole bunch of these fashion accessories. It's a 2-pack of the larger alligator style clips. They had the dark pink, a light pink, almost peach. This is like a light tan, has a little bit of hint of yellow to it. And then they had the purple and kind of like a mint green and this light blue. Then for the cosmetics, this week they had a bunch of the I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's like Le Mercerie, I think. It's a perfect hydrating lip gloss. That is this one here. It's the packed with ultra hydrating moisturizers. They have the sunlight bronzer in the same brand. They also had this hydrating glow makeup setting spray. It says you can wear your makeup for up to 16 hours. It's humidity resistant. the defined shape brow pencil. It also has a brush on the end. They have those in 2 different colors. Then we've got the metallic shimmer liquid eyeshadow from cream to powder. This is a hydrating lip stain in this dark red. And then this is another one of the liquid eyeshadows with that shimmer. Look how pretty that is. It says it changes to a powder. Then we've got the lip tint. This is a darker color, red. And then for the pharmacy and personal care section, they had a bunch of the hand sanitizer like carrying cases. So those go with the different scents of hand sanitizer. So like the brown ones, that goes with like the vanilla. I think it's like a coffee scent. They also had the pink, the peach, and then that is like the watermelon and the cucumber. They also had some glitter cases made out of silicone, and they all have the little carabiner clip at the top, which is really nice. But you can see you've got all the different hand sanitizers as well. Now, sometimes some of the stores I'm finding the cases down in the aisle where the soaps are at, but the hand sanitizers, a lot of them are up near the registers. We've also got the Diamond Cosmetics glass nail files. They had a couple different versions of those out. And then these little travel containers for like lotion, shampoo, and makeup. They have a fox and a penguin, which is so cute. The must-have beauty on the go squeeze travel bottles, which are easy to fill. It says they have those in the blue and the peach. And then they also had this must-have beauty on the go spray travel bottle, and I only saw them in this like orangish peachish kind of color. For the fun finds this week, they had a bunch of these silicone erasers. They have the farm animals, a bunch of different cats and dogs. Also, they had the sushi set back in. You get like 5 erasers per pack. They had these fun little novelty games. It's a suction cup base, and it's like a punching bag. And they had a bunch of those in a bunch of different colors. Then they had the Crayola limited edition retired crayons that have come out. They've got the 8-pack of the retired crayons and the coordinating coloring book to go with. Also, I found this cocktail party kit. It says the recipe's great for a great night. It just has like a host card, and there's a bunch of different like games and stuff and questions to play. For the home decor, I found more of these hearts that I saw last week. I'm finding them at several different stores now. I also found a bunch of the wicker vine hearts they have out each year around Valentine's Day and a few times throughout the year. That's the Birch and Vine brand, and there are 3 different colors of those. And then more of these glass tabletop decor pieces. Some of these little bottles, they had them in white, gray, and a light, kind of like a yellowish brown color. More of these tin candles, or the candles in the little tins, I should say. They had the Island Glow, which we saw last week, and I found a few more this week. They had the violet and moss, and that is the purple and gold, and the pink and gold is the golden honeysuckle, which smells so good. Then for the office, library, and teaching tree section, they had a bunch of these paper doll dress up books, which I used to love when I was little. So they got the doll on the back with the stand, and then inside the booklet has all of the different outfits that they could wear. There's up to 60 fashion pieces, a couple different dresses, and there are 4 different books that you could purchase. Each one has a different doll on the back. They also had these Disney, the Magic of the Season search book. Think of like a Where's Waldo book. This is volume 2 of 2. It's a search and find activity book. And you can see all the different stories they have in there, like The Incredibles and a couple others as well. Then I found these Color in Motion twist up crayons in the 5-pack, and there were 2 different sets of those. Some new journals. I love the cover to these because they're kind of like high-end looking with that gold, very minimalistic looking. I thought they were really pretty. Then for the housewares, home maintenance, and storage, I found more of the vintage LED light bulbs. It's the warm white color. Those are 60 watt. They also had these Home Bright dishwasher fresheners. You just leave it in the dishwasher for a fresh scent, and a bunch of these magnetic levels. For the kitchen and pantry, they brought back the ice cream sundae cups, or milkshake cups. These are so cool. I just love the vintage kind of look to them. They look like the old like malt glasses you could get in like one of those little diners. They're so cute. They also have a bunch of these staples for your Thanksgiving dinner if you're in a pinch. They're also going to be open on Thanksgiving this year. I saw signs in the window saying they'll be open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Thanksgiving. So if you forget something, I mean, if they're open anyways, I guess you could always pop in there and pick up anything that you might have forgotten. But they've got different things like gravy, stuffing. There's some sweet potatoes. They had the cranberry sauce, all the traditional staples. They also had a bunch of these popcorn style buckets with the Coca-Cola brand. I think these would make a really fun gift basket idea. They had the cups as well. Then for the seasonal items, they brought back the pom-pom trim. You get 3 yards of that. They have it in the red, the white, and the green. I was excited to see that come back. It's been sold out for quite a while, and those are fun to craft with. They also had their pom-poms in the 90 pack in the red, white, and green. Those come in a couple different sizes, and the snowballs. They had a bunch of those as well. Now we've got the extra large Santa ornaments restocked, which are always so fun. If you haven't checked out the ornaments yet at Dollar Tree, all their specialty ornaments, make sure you do. A lot of them are restocks from last year, but there's some really great ones out there. I love the kind of farmhouse feel with the ones with the little blocks that spout different words like peace and joy. I really enjoy those a lot. I think they're lots of fun. And then they've got, of course, a bunch of the little snowmen. And I love, love, love these snowflake ornaments. They're so pretty. We've also got some yard decor. They have the gnomes holding like candy canes and presents, snowflakes. So cute. You can either hang those or put them in the yard. They also have a snowman. It says, "Let it snow, be merry," which is the elf and Santa. Now, these are all restocked items we've seen before, but it's exciting to see when they come back, especially the favorites. They also have some different wall decor and signs like the tinsel snowman Christmas trees, the large glitter snowflakes. They come in 3 different colors. You either get them in the gold, the silver, or the blue. So those have been restocked as well. And these little signs, which I just love. This one says, "The most wonderful time of the year. And if kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard." I just love those so much. They have some more of the sleds with the red truck, some Santas and snowmen. And then these adorable little cups have been restocked this week. There's the gingerbread men, the candy canes. They also have snowmen. And then they have the taller, kind of like a champagne glass with the Christmas trees and Christmas cheer. They have some reusable tote bags with Santa carrying a sack of toys and the pastel nutcrackers, which are so cute. Then for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is anything that costs $3 or more, they have a bunch of these Squishmallow style, like novelty things. There's popcorn, French fries, a taco, and a hot dog. So those are those extra large plushies. Then they had some clay play sets. There's the food train dough set, and it has the little choo-choo train. They also had some of the Ninja Turtles with their skateboards. These are a large coloring stand-up cardboard activity. They had Spider-Man, the Disney Princess, and Barbie. It says you can add stickers. I think it comes with the stickers and the markers. And look how cute these teeny tinsies are. And they have like the vending machine. These are so cute. So they have these little miniature like Coca-Cola. There's little tiny coins to go in it. And then these itty bitty little dum-dum suckers and Smarties. These actually would be kind of like Barbie size, if that makes sense, like Barbie food, which would be fun if you had a little girl that loved to play Barbie. She could set up a whole shop with all of the little candies. And then they've got like the bazooka, the juicy pops, ring pops. There's even little stands to put them in. I just thought those were so cute. I just think when I was little, we used to play Barbies, or I'd play with my little girls, how fun these would be to play with, because, you know, they look like real life products. I thought those were super cute. They also had this new Uno Show 'em No Mercy game out, and this cute little cash register set with the food basket and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment down below. You can also find us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.